Welcome to another session of Invest Right, where we try to make investing and trading simple. Today's video is going to be very interesting and informative, as today we will discuss five stocks, five large cap stocks, which you should not be holding in your portfolio. If you're holding these, please let me know in the comments as to why are you holding this and destroying your money. Okay, so let's get started. In a time when Nifty and other indices are reversing, today we are going to discuss five stocks that are still in their stage 4. Now, what is stage 4? Let's revise. Now, every stock or index operates in four stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. And this cycle repeats. Now, stage 1 is nothing but the accumulation phase, stage 2 is the growth phase, stage 3 is called the distribution phase, and stage 4 is the decline phase. So you should never be holding a stock which is in stage 4. That is when it is falling and making lower lows and lower highs. You should never be holding a stock because you never know how much more down it go and how much time will it take to recover back. Okay. So why do you want to hold this stock and lose your money, lose the value of your money? Instead of this, you can just take that money and put it in an FD, which will give you a guaranteed 5 to 6% returns, right? So the primary aim of investing in stock market is to make extra returns. So if you go and invest in a stock which is continuously going down in a hope that someday it will come up, but I'm sorry, hope is not a strategy. Okay. So let's identify the stocks that are in stage 4 and should be completely avoided as of now. Now, I am not saying that these stocks may never reverse from here or may never go up. It may start going up tomorrow. But as of now, these stocks are in downtrend and these should be avoided. But take this as a learning so that next time onwards when you come across such stocks, you can avoid this. So let's go to the first one. First one is the Tata Motors. Okay. Tata Motors was a huge wealth creator. So from the COVID lows of almost 60 rupees, it went up to 1000 rupees, almost 20x it gave returns. But after that, the stock has corrected almost 50% from its top. Now, do you want to hold such a stock which and erode the capital or the wealth that you have created all this while? There would be some retail investors who would have entered at the top somewhere here, and now they are sitting at the loss of 50%, seeing their capital erode 50%. There would be some retail investors who would have entered at the top somewhere here, and now they are sitting at the loss of 50%, seeing their capital erode 50%. You should have exited the stock when it broke this level, 938. The moment the stock Tata Motors broke 938 was an ideal time when you should have exited the stock. Okay, so now it is clearly going down. It is making lower lows and lower highs. We never know till how long it go. Next stock is we want to discuss is Asian Paints. Now Asian Paints has always been in news and has been tagged as a biggest wealth generator of all times, but and biggest wealth compounder. But now we see it is in continuously downtrend after consolidating since June 21 for almost or after consolidating in a range for almost 4 years. The stock has broken down the range and has started going down. Now we don't know till when it will go down, but for now it is going down and should be avoided. Okay. Uh, Third stock is Geo Finance, the darling of all. There are a lot of stories going on against with Geo Finance that it's backed by Mukesh Ambani. It is partnering up with BlackRock, and it is going to revolutionize the finance industries. But we don't see that in the stock price. Okay, so it is continuously going down, making lower lows and lower highs. So please watch out. Okay, the next stock we want to discuss is IDFC First Bank. IDFC First Bank was also a darling stock of the previous bull market. Okay, it went up crazy, and from the lows of 20 rupees, it went up to 105x return. But from then it has dropped almost 50%. Okay, from then it has dropped almost 50%, and the story still remains that 5 years from now the growth will emerge and it will it's an amazing business to have. But are you making money? My answer is no, because you bought a stock and it is continuously going down. So what's the point of holding? The next stock that we wanted to discuss is Hero MotoCorp. Again, the stock is almost down um, 40 43% from its top. Okay, so again, the same story: lower lows, lower rise, and we don't know till when it will keep going down. So why to get into a stock which is continuously going down and losing your value of money? Okay, now we may, there's a lot of stories going around that, we should always buy the dip, but till when will you buy the dip? What is that level? And then a story will emerge of some corporate governance issue on one of these stocks, and or by the time all the big players would have pushed their stocks or holdings to the retail investors. Okay, and please understand that even Yes Bank, Suslon, or Satyam, all these companies were also darling stocks of the stock market once upon a time. Okay, but now they are junk stocks. So please don't stick to the narratives or stories. Play the price. Okay. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you liked today's analysis. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel for such informative content. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and happy wealth creation, guys. Bye bye.